Alright, what up, everybody? We're now doing the second fight, trying to fight for another clean sweep. We're up against Chaos from Midnight Suns. Chaos is at 62 million, making this a pretty sizable punch-up, but I think like pretty even across the board on teams for the most part. Yeah, pretty even on teams for the most part, really. So let's go ahead and do this. Eternals. Alright, here we go. We're going to do new Warriors against this team. Let's go. I'm now being asked, what are my thoughts on upgrading from shaving the eyebrows to waxing them off on stream? Look, I'll do anything for a little bit more money.
Oh, Jesse, you hear that? You could buy another eyebrow for $5.
No, I didn't say another eyebrow.
Dorky said it. He said it.
And I also didn't say $5. Be real clear here.
I mean, how much trouble you think you'd really be in?
Do this with the wife? I really don't know. That's the question.
You're already out one eyebrow. What's another? I think you'll be fine.
Try to make sure we get the kill. Oh, we did not. Oh yeah, we got the kill on her. Perfect. Then let's. Oh. Uh-oh.
Sassy got you.
What? You said a little more money? I didn't say a little more money. I said more money.
You did say for a little bit more money, I'd do anything.
I don't think I said the word little bit, but
Clip it.
we're just splitting hairs at this point. Later, Icarus.
That ability is super satisfying, isn't it?
Y'all need to start letting me. You need to start letting me like quantifying things with dollar amounts. You can't be going off this vaguity. I'm just not going to use the word vague in any form anymore.
It's probably.
I don't think you should.
We're done. Vague out of my dictionary. It's gone.
Well, the guy was barely in it in the first place, apparently.
I also need to read. Hey, why are people not using the Titania Ultimate on the Black Panthers? I noticed nobody's doing that. It puts the disrupt so they can't get deflex.
I don't know why. It doesn't do anything. I mean, it doesn't matter.
Well, it just makes so Kang Bang doesn't get blocked, right?
If you don't have a tiny Kang, it doesn't matter anyway.
I guess that's true.
I'm telling you, the only like variation of this team that I've seen actually fuck with this is to not have Shuri.
M'Baku's definitely going to survive this, isn't he? Nope, we're good. Let's go.
Also, I think.
But okay, here we go. We're going to be using Tangled Leg, Omega Red, Doom, and Emma up against this team right here. But Kestrel's going to stop us from getting bots out on our Doom. But like, it's not Doom's damage that he's here for. It's for the 3 turns that he gives. One thing that people keep hitting me up with is, Dorky, why don't you ever use 2099 Ultimate targeting the Agatha? Because I don't want the death proofs. If Heartless finds a way to ult, he uses that death proof against you, right? It increases the damage of it. And I've never found I needed the death proof. If I die to this or people start dying, it's not like death proof was going to save them. It's because things got out of control. See if we can get Kestrel killed so that we can use Doom bots. Yeah, alright, so everything's fine. Go hard here.
Next time you talk to the devs, Dorky, can you tell them to give fucking Emma any kind of reasonable tag so that we can actually search for her?
Sure. One thing I definitely won't tell them is to stop being vague.
Vagity?
Stop it.
Stun him.
Hey, does Fury make Eternals go before other Eternals?
I don't think so.
Don't think so.
Don't.
It's not fast enough?
He's got the speed bar. He gives the speed, maybe. Yeah, maybe. I'm actually not sure.
Go for it.
In this land? Yep. Could land her on
I
her
lost this
head.
channel. I lost this Crucible anyway because I've brought the wrong team once.
Yeah, that sucks.
It does. Oh, I should have brought Loki. That would have been smarter.
So Apocalypse Eternal's Loki for this one. Somebody else also messaged me today saying that they brought this team in and they lost. And it's because they brought him in against Phantom X. If there's a Phantom X, you cannot bring Loki because Cersei will get her ultimate dodged. And that's not great. Ah, do Jubilee. Or stun, turn me to rewind. It's all good stuff. She's so small. Let's do it! Why do you bring Jubilee? So that she can get pinged to death from the Gambit. Alright, first we do a Terminator rewind. We target the Gambit with this one, okay? Next, we're going to target the Rogue with this one, okay? Hiya! Hiya! Because we don't want the Phoenix to die. Why do you want the Phoenix to die? Because this is going to happen. Hiya! Hiya! Why didn't I bring Kestrel? I should have brought Kestrel. This was a huge mistake.
No, you should not have. Because if you brought Kestrel, you don't get to double.
Yeah, you do. You still kill the original Phoenix.
Oh, that's true. Stunner.
What?
Could have stunned Phoenix there.
Could have. I don't know. I went to stun the Gambit, but he had stuff going on with him. Yeah, I know, but then Gambit's gonna take a turn. Yeah, but Gambit's gonna take a turn. It's not fun. I should not have listened to anybody but myself. Sucks. People are dying now. Efficiency down the drain. Down the absolute gutter, toilet garbage.
That Phoenix is hurting you bad.
No, Gambit just killed everybody. I should have. Who was I gonna bring that was gonna be more fun? Who did I say I was gonna bring? Do you remember? September. We're clever.
To answer your question, JCap, correctly, you get points for the Loki event from getting like the orbs from Arena payout. There's a free claim on the web store every day. It looks like for 1,000, or maybe it was 500. And then also for Arena credits, it looks like once a day you can buy 1,000 points. So you have to go to the offers, and it's like towards the bottom.
Oh, server. Here we go. Big punch up. Let's go. Speed. Take that deflect off of him. Didn't do a good job. Steal those charges. Yeah. Your charges are mine, dude. And then we can do a stun. Oh, I could stun him too. It gets cleansed, right? I think that stun gets cleansed. But the damage will be worth it? Does he get speed bar when it happens too? I don't care. Let's just do it anyway. Oh, that was unfortunate for him that he didn't drop below 50. Ooh. This is unfortunate for you guys because now you're all covered in debuffs. Ooh. This is unfortunate for my enemies. I feel for them.
I don't think you do.
I really don't. I'm super happy about it.
Cold and heartless.
Yep. Try and get a defense down on Winter Soldier. I don't think this will kill though, which is a problem. But it'll get low enough that Zombie Iron Man will permakiller, right? Maybe. At least Zombie Iron Man is big. It'll kill the other two permanently at least. Yeah, didn't get her killed, but... Can we get a bleed on Captain? That'd be great. We want her to take her turn before we kill her. Take her first life anyway. So this is a perma kill, right? Let's try this. She got defense down. The block. That block, though. Okay, so he got his first death. He still has ability block. Damn, they're doing no damage against each other. This is annoying. Oh, this is permakill, right? They're just taking no damage. This is a permakill too, right? Unless it doesn't actually kill her. Do it! Yes! We did it. It was not very efficient. We did it. I did not budget my teams properly, by the way. I got Deathseed now. I mean, I got Dorm, so we got a team that could do it.
Do you have Apocalypse?
No, we use Apocalypse Unlimited.
Oh.
So we could do like Dorm, Deathseed, I guess would be fine. We also have the Kingpin team, but we don't have Doom to go with it. We got Nowhere, but no Nova, so that doesn't really help. I guess we're just gonna do with Deathseed, I guess. Definitely not my favorite matchup, but whatever. Who we taking out? I guess Psylocke. I also have Kestrel. Doesn't seem very helpful though. Screw it, let's just do it. YOLO! I don't know why I have Gamma on defense and Unlimited on defense. Awkward. I should have these guys on defense. Pull them in? No, you don't pull them in. Instead, let's just basic? Question mark? Special? No, I'd like to keep that so I can strip buffs with it later. Let's get offense up. Ouch. Oh, I don't have the ability to blind them now, huh? Is this unavoidable? This is not unavoidable. It does give counters though. We're gonna have to do this stun here. We don't get dodge rooted. Oh, we have a giant thundercrack just happened right behind my face. Has Violet hasn't taken her turn yet, has she? Can we stop that from happening? Nah. There's no way we can stop that. Oh, we can. Never mind. I think Dorm's an ult, and this is just over at that point. We got Raider on my Dorm, which I love, by the way. I think it's the best Dorm thing now. The new thing. The new. We get that kill on Warlock. After the fact, that's okay. Just me and you, Gamora, and the person who's burping on Discord.
Sorry.
Look, we won, but I didn't. This felt very inefficient in 3 of the matchups. I think we're gonna look at a high 40s, low 50s kind of score here. Never mind, that's a 75. That's pretty good. Chaos hasn't gone yet, but Chaos has got some work cut out for him. Like I got Unlimited. I have Gamma, so I mean his new warriors just crushed that. I got an Infinity Watch. I got the same Rebirth he does, but much bigger. I love my Rebirth team. I'm bringing Winter Soldier to Gear Tier 17 next. I brought Agent Venom to Gear Tier 18. No regrets, man. He's awesome. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Stay happy, healthy, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.